guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm planning to do a little pinky dewy kind of look today. So let's get started. Make sure you wash your face. I've washed my face and then I've started this video. Sometimes instead of primer I also use aloe vera gel. So today instead of primer I'm using aloe vera gel. Plums aloe vera gel. And I do this only like when I'm not going out. Today I'm not going out anywhere. I'm just doing this makeup tutorial. So yeah. So first I'm going to be doing my eyes and then I'm going to forward for the face. Concealer. Many people kind of apply like line wise, but I prefer more dot wise. I'm gonna go with this cookie blender and blend it out. I'll apply concealer below my eyes later. As I'm going to a little like pinkish dewy look, I'll be first applying this as my base. This is like similar to my skin tone, so you can change this base shade according to your skin tone. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Small Fresh. I want extremely dark shade also, so I'm going to go with a little like kind of mid-tone. I'm going to place it kind of almost in the ending and somewhere between the middle and the end. I didn't want a very kind of sharp look, that's the reason I'm not using any tape. But if you want sharp look, then you could probably place a tape over here, and once you're done with your eye makeup, remove so that you could get a sharp look. Next, I'm going to be taking a little brighter shade than this shade. This I'm going to be doing only in the ends, just like the previous one, but the previous one I had kind of even applied on the center, but this I'm not going to go in the center, only in the ends. I had put it in the ends and whatever the rest was there, just from the starting I just started blending. Next I'm going to be taking this shade for the final eye shadow. I'm going to be taking this shade. Like this is not extremely shimmery, at the same time it's not very dull. For my inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to be taking this white shade and just put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be applying eyeliner. After that, I don't like to apply mascara, so I'm just going to take the eyeliner and apply on my lashes. So instead of using black kajal, I'm going to be using white. Whatever is left in the brush, like all the other thing, I'm just going to be adding below my eyes. I'm not going to be taking anything extra, otherwise it's going to be too heavy. So at the same time, I'm going to be doing this side. Eyes done. So let's move on to eyebrows. I actually don't do much to my eyebrows because I already kind of have very dark black eyebrows. I just kind of comb it. Just fill in the gaps and comb it again. Next, let's move on to the face. So today I don't want a full coverage foundation, so I'm going to be using Mama's foundation. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't like to apply foundation directly on my face. This might seem a little weird, but this is my, I don't know, foundation hack, or this is how I'm comfortable wearing foundation. I take like few pumps on my hand and then take a brush and go like this. Apply the foundation. Then keep repeating it, that's it. So before I kind of blend this, I'm going to spray the setting spray and then kind of blend it. Next is concealer. I like to go dot wise and not like lines. the same dot pattern, I'm going to be repeating this. I know you're supposed to apply concealer like under your eyes before the eye makeup, but I do it after I apply makeup because I don't have like the tiniest brush. So most of the time all the residue kind of comes and like falls over here. So that's the reason I kind of apply more than how much is needed under my eyes, like the eyeshadow, and then again apply very mild concealer so that it kind of gets balanced. Next, contouring. So every time we used to put a straight line for contouring. Now it's supposed to be like so that your face looks a little more squarish and it looks more elegant. Now concealer on my nose. How we generally use red for blush. This time I'm not going to be going with red, but instead I'm going to go with peach color. In general, peach kind of gives a very neutral kind of plumpy blush. I got this shade from Zudio and I've been loving this. It's kind of like nude, but also kind of very cherry blossom pink color. If you ever visit Zudio and you want to try this shade, probably you can get your hands on this too. This is shade Blossom Pink P1. Before that,
here I took a brown lip liner and did it only in the center of my upper lips, and below I had completely drew it and then applied lipstick and then kind of smudged it. That's it.
eyeliner. I have kind of pink. I'm going to be applying that.
I applied the highlighter on my cheekbone to highlight that area and on my nose to give that subtle dewy look.
Now quickly I'll go change my hairstyle and dress to match this look. So I didn't do much for my hair. I've just left it to be a little messy and I've added few gold ornaments in with this pink floral top, and this is the final look. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. I hope you like this look. I loved it. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.